In this video, I'm going to be installing this K&N air filter in this 2008 Nissan Xterra. Now, instead of changing the air filter every year with one of those just plain paper pleated air filters that are about 20 bucks a piece, you can put one of these in. It's basically a set it and forget it. They should give you a little bit more airflow and better fuel economy. Here's an up-close view of the box and the part number right down here, in case you want to get one of these for your vehicle. Now, this is a real simple design to change an air filter on the Nissan 4.0 liter V6. You have two clips, one right here, one right here. And it's kind of a hinged notch design. Just lift up a little bit, lift out the old air filter. Before you ever install any new parts, you just want to compare your new part to the old part, make sure they're the exact same size. And looks like it's the same length and width. It is a little bit thinner. As you can see, this is a plain paper element, and this is the K&N. Now, when you touch these K&Ns, you're going to get a little bit of oil on your fingers. I would just kind of lift this up out of the way a little bit. That should drop right down in there. And then you want to hook it here in the back first. Now, you want to make sure these notches are inside these back tabs. Just kind of push down a little bit, fasten that clip, and fasten that clip. That's all there is to it to installing one of these K&N high flow lifetime air filters. Pretty much about 5 to 10 minutes tops from start to finish, and your vehicle's back on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.